Hey guys, today let's learn how to stream on multiple platforms using OBS. So if you guys want to go ahead and stream on multiple platforms and not just only one platform on the OBS application, in this video tutorial I'm going to teach you guys how to do that step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out how. Alright guys, so what you guys need is basically the stream key of the specific platform. So if you guys want to go ahead and go live using OBS on your PCs, well, on different platforms there is going to be this stream key that we call in order for us to basically stream from OBS to that platform. So we can actually go ahead and tap on settings over here and wait for it to launch, and let's go ahead and tap on stream, and as you see we have this option on the stream key. So all we need to do from here is to choose the specific platform first, and whatever platform that you are currently using, just go ahead and choose that, and then choose your preferred server, or you could just choose auto so that it could recommend you guys the best server to use. And then we need to go ahead and paste the stream key on here. Now depending on the platform, it is going to be located on different locations, so all we need to do is to locate where that specific stream key is and then copy and paste it onto this section of OBS. Now once that is done, just tap on apply, and you can actually go ahead and tap on start streaming to stream your, well, OBS over onto that platform. And that's all for this video guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and I'll see you guys on the next one.